So today I am heading to Cabo Rojo. As you may recall, the last time I was in Cabo Rojo, I was dropping off some materials to get the next project going with the house. So that day is today. We're starting the new project, which is project fixing the ceiling. My guy is already there, and it's 8 a.m. and he's been there since like 7. So I am heading there now. I'm thinking about buying more materials for the next project so he can have them there already. So I don't know, I might do that if I have time. But that is the plan, to get this house fixed as quick as I can and get it rented. Also, I have to stop by Mayagüez Medical Center, I believe it's called, because my dad has been in the hospital for a week now. And I want to talk about this because the system here is so messed up. The hospital is so messed up. He's been there for a week, but the first 4 days he was in the hallway of the emergency room because there were not enough rooms to put him in a room. So he was in the hallway that whole time, 4 days, and they were not giving him food. So my sister had to go give him food. The lady that helps him had to get him food. It has been a rough week for him. So Friday they finally gave him a room, and he has been there all weekend. So they're feeding him now and everything. But you know, this is not the first time that this has happened to him. The hospitals here are so bad. Like, there's not enough nurses, not enough doctors, and there's too many patients for each nurse and doctor. So they're overwhelmed, overworked. It's just, the reality is that there's not enough nurses and doctors for all the patients. So they say there's not enough rooms, but I'm not sure if it's the rooms or just they don't have the nurses and the doctors to help all these people. So just wanted to mention that in here. I am here and I just got into it and started throwing away stuff. So that's what I'm doing. The guy is actually like cleaning the walls, the windows a little bit, just because everything is just so nasty. So we're just gonna be doing some work here. We are in my room, my childhood room. I'm gonna show you a secret spot I had. This closet is gonna go bye-bye at some point. But there was that shelf, right? Behind this, there was a hiding place. Now I don't know how to take it out. I don't know if I left something there. I doubt it. Nothing. No money. So I'm starting to put things out here. Let's see how long they last because they start taking them. This is a top item here, VHS tape, and it works. I mean, the TV works. I just tried it. This, I don't even know what that is. And that is to iron. Okay, we got a few things done. I say we, like I did so much. Well, I did some things, but wow. Looks pretty clear. Looks bigger now. Nothing much over here. I gotta buy all of these for the whole house. And I think I'm putting a fan, a ceiling fan here. This one, we broke it, so now I need a new one and a new one there. And this is the mess over here. Decisions. I need 2 more of these because I only have 4 in the cart. And then I need the cover, 2 of these. And I have 4 here. So now I have 6, and I have a bunch of other stuff here. Spending money. These are the prices I'm paying. $149, $129, $469. Ouch, that hurts. These are the prices. Hey you, good morning. So today, another day, another dollar spent on this house. So yesterday we got a lot done, but today we're getting even more done. As you can see, there's a mess here because they started nice and early. The guy brought another guy so he can help him so we can get things moving even quicker. So we got some of this, well, they got some of this stuff out from there and put it here to make room. And yeah, so we're getting stuff done. I need to go wash some window screens right now, so let's go. So these are the old window screens, and so I'm washing them, but the frame is like really in bad shape. But for now, I'm just gonna wash them and use these because I do not want to spend money on screens. I mean, it's a lot of money. They're not cheap anymore, and there's a lot of windows. So for now, we're gonna try to work with these, depending on the situation. As I go washing them, I'll see the condition they're in. Back in my childhood room here with a lot of echo. My room and the whole house used to be pink back in the days. Oh, so I painted this room, I think 1998. We need to remove this and we need to fix like these holes that look horrible, like this one and this one. Let me show you something. Why did I never notice that I had water views from my room? How did I not know this living here all my life? My brother's closet has been removed. Well, almost there. Almost. Wow. All that wood goes to waste. I feel bad because I'm very eco-friendly. But what can we do? I mean, it was being eaten, so we can't use them. So I have a friend here. You can see it. It's a spider right there. And then there's a dead one here. When I grabbed this, I was like, a spider, but it's dead. Where the hell is it? It's right there. So I'm here in the town of Cabo Rojo, and I'm gonna check out some cabinets that are like pre-made already. I don't know how you call them, like ready to go. You just put them in your kitchen and that's it. So I'm gonna check them out. I actually like this first one here, but I want a 3-piece. So I want like a bar so they can have extra counter space. This one's pretty nice. They have smaller ones, but I want a larger one. I'm hungry, and since I'm in El Pueblo, should I get acai here? I've never been here.
Buen provecho.
You don't know how weird I feel walking these streets. It's like nostalgic. Like I get emotional walking through here. I know it sounds stupid, but yeah, it's just, I don't know. Like I miss it. I kind of want to be here. I like it, but it won't be for a few years. So I'm not gonna be here. But getting this house ready. Look at this little friend right here. A snail. By the way, we threw out the stuff yesterday. Remember the TV, that little machine, and something else? It's gone today. I put those two things right now. Second day completed. I am so tired. But yesterday I was really tired. I slept like a baby. Today we got a lot accomplished, and tomorrow I might have to buy paint and stuff. I have so many things to buy. It's insane. I don't even know where to start. Yesterday I bought some stuff. The day before I bought some stuff. I feel like I live at National in Cabo Rojo now. Tomorrow I might go to Home Depot since we're gonna be in Mayagüez. So we'll see, but I'm so happy we're getting the ball rolling here with this house, because at some point I thought it was like impossible, and it's possible. I'm seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. But there's a long way to go still. Good morning. Today is day 4 of this project for my house. And yeah, yesterday I couldn't really film because I was all over the place. I was buying paint, I was at Home Depot, I was checking prices, looking at things, and it's just like I was in a hurry to do all the things because I've been here for, yesterday was 3 days, and today I'm here for the 4th day, and I need to go to San Juan, back to Carolina tomorrow morning probably. So I'm doing things for my father too, that he's in the hospital. So yeah, it's been a juggle here, but today is my last day on working on the house this week. So I'll be back, I think, next week so I can paint. So there's more footage coming of the house. Let's see what we can do today. I know I'm measuring stuff today. He's still working on the roof, and they started painting the roof today. They're doing, you know, little things here and there. There's still 2 guys. I think by next week, it will be just that one guy, which, oh my God, I am so lucky to have him because he's so responsible, always on time, no falla. Yeah, so we're working on that today and buying more stuff later, and hopefully I can see my dad at the hospital. Sorry for the noise. Hopefully I can see my dad at the hospital today before I can go back to Carolina. So that is the plan. We'll see how everything goes. They started to paint the ceiling white with primer and sealer. It's looking very white. We put these things here the other night, but no one has taken it. I'm surprised. Cleaning up here, and look at what I found. A nice glass of Roach. Want some? Salud. I'm back here. Let's see if I am going to buy it or make it happen. I actually was able to customize the PVC cabinets, and I put down the deposit. I got my way. The PVC guy gave me this no charge, so I can do an invention at home with the door, la puerta de cristal. Just so you can see all the running around I'm doing. I'm at the hospital again in Mayagüez because they are discharging my dad. So we're picking him up, and I don't want to say where we're taking them yet, but I don't want to jinx it. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do this, so that's a secret for now. But I'm at the hospital, and let's get him out of here. We are in Walmart because we're gonna put my dad in a home because he's 90 years old, and now he has a new condition that we can't really take care of. So we're gonna put him in a home, and we're buying the stuff at Walmart that he needs. Here we are. All the stuff, a lot of stuff. Wow, today was a rough day. I'm almost without battery on my phone. It's been a very long day. Thankfully, we got my dad into the home, and he seems happy. He seems okay with it. So I feel relieved that, you know, he feels okay there, because we were worried that he might not want to be there or like it, but he knows that he needs help. So I feel good about that. So we were all afternoon dealing with his stuff. We went to Walmart. We had to sign contracts, give a check, and yeah, homes for the elderly here in Puerto Rico. It's not easy finding one. That is the problem. One for your budget, one that's close to you. It's a lot of details. It was a hectic day, but at least all this week I was able to handle the house situation, and I'll be back soon. I'll visit my dad at the home the next time I come. And so yeah, just good night, because I'm tired. Right now, this is what the house is looking like. It's getting there. I don't have the lights on. Or do I? No. We have a problem with the ceiling and the paint because my brother, by error, put semi-gloss paint on the ceiling, and you're not supposed to because of humidity and all these other issues. So now I'm dealing with the issue because now it's just like coming off. And even though he is scraping, they paint with the primer and it's just not taking it well because it keeps bubbling up. So it's looking like a map pretty much. I guess the living room is the worst one, which is this, but that is the problem. We have the option of doing the pressure washer, whatever that's called. But if this is weak, it might come off, like the cement. So something like that. So I don't know what to do. Mind you, when you're seeing this, I already know what I did. So you can't tell me now. Hey you, so let's talk about monies and budget, like what I have spent so far on this house so you can have an idea in case you have questions and you are building a house or fixing a house in Puerto Rico, all that stuff. So without touching the house, like putting work into it, I have spent $5,200, so $5,200 on lawyer and all that stuff to get the house under my name. Then I spent about $5,000 on CRIM, which is the property taxes that I owed, which is $10,200, but let's round it out to $10,000. So without touching the house, $10,000, okay. Then touching the house, I did danosa on the roof, which is sealing the roof, and that was about $5,000 as well. That's $15,000 right now. And then I bought materials and I have paid for some labor. Oh, and also kitchen cabinets, I put down a deposit of $1,000. So right now I have spent about $17,000. Did I have a budget? I had a budget in mind. It's not a stern budget, but I had about $25,000 that I wanted to spend on this house. Well, I didn't really want to spend it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go over the $25,000, so we'll see. But let's see, because I still gotta buy closets because I ripped them out, and I think I wanna buy some IKEA ones. I think it's the most budget friendly for me right now. I gotta do so many things still. So yeah, that's what I have spent so far.